So if this works, it has got a lot of news value in how we could do copyings and also make conclusions with really high precision. So please bear with us. It is an experiment in itself to do it like this. So as I mentioned, it's really important that you keep your attention to what's happening in the room during the process, so it's as smooth as possible. Okay?
Yeah, and we can tell that we will show you the results in the afternoon.
Oh, yeah, we'll show you, of course.
Hopefully, yeah. If it's...
Yes, after you've done the copying session, Ida and Christina and Signe will do the data tuning in 3 hours. Normally that takes a few weeks, so that's a discipline in itself. And then the result will be presented tonight, and that will be a result of the overall experiment. We will not take people out, and we will take people out anonymously and show this assessor scored like this and that. And actually, we talked about this. We can take people out, and we have agreed that Ida is the only one who will ever see the key to who scored what. I'm not even allowed to see it. But you can actually purchase a personal report from Ida. So on my webpage there will be a Nordic Roaster Forum product where you can purchase your personal performance report from the data that will gather. We cannot. We need to charge for that because it takes Ida a few hours to make it, the statistics, but it is potentially available in the data, but we'll not take it out. And I will never hear the result. It's only Ida who manages that. Okay? Yes?
After copying, you go straight back and say we're finished, and you go back here, or?
Yes, I guess the lunch.
Yeah, the lunch is after.
12:15.
Yeah.
We not hang around there and then, finished, and come back here?
Yeah, you finish the whole copying session and then you come back.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay?
Did anyone receive the email? No.
But some did? Okay, but we'll go to the other room and it will be sent. And one last thing. I would ask everybody who is from the EU to not go on the Wi-Fi. Please turn off your Wi-Fi so you're not using the bandwidth so that people from outside EU can use the Wi-Fi. And I'll ask you to take on the cost of roaming for the 15 minutes it takes to do the copying. Okay, so yeah?
I have a problem, my roaming is not working.
Then we have a piece of paper you can get. If everything breaks down, we still have 60 pieces of paper, but it's much easier because they need to do the calculations before, in a few hours, we need it to gather it electronically.
Sometimes with the iPhone, after traveling, you had airplane mode on. Sometimes it doesn't.
My phone is ringing, I get my emails and everything.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Excuse me. Do you need to have a smartphone to do this?
Yes.
How about the ones who don't?
Piece of paper.
We have no smartphone.